You didn't wear it anymore. No.
You asked me? Hi guys!
Hey. Should we just drop it and then join in 5 minutes?
I thought you did this, that's why you asked me. So I was like, yeah, when it's near to time. Because you generally drop it, no?
Yeah, but because I make the PDF, so I drop it. It's in my phone. Now you made it, I thought you put it.
No. Last time birthday also you did, no?
Because.
Hi guys! It's okay, we can drop it later.
Okay, fine. I'll put this on.
Hello everyone, hi. Hope you all are doing well. Venti's giving me looks. Okay, wait. My earrings can't be seen.
Hey, what's the advice for confidence? Te?
First, I think confidence comes from within. Love yourself first, and then everything else will follow. And be confident yourself, like about yourself. And you don't need validation from anyone. No matter anyone says whatever, you should know who you are and what you are. And no matter what, don't take anyone's bullshit. I don't have time to recover only. I am still. Okay, guys.
Sukhvinder, hey. Save the life. Yes, we'll save the life.
We always save the life nowadays.
Hello, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Ravi, should I call you Ravi or Ravi ji? I don't know. I feel very like आप बहुत बड़े हो मुझसे. पता नहीं रवि जी क्यों बुलाती हूँ मैं.
Ah, you are very extra courteous.
Thank you. Okay, happy birthday, Suparna.
Today?
No, 16th.
Okay.
Most beautiful girl. Which one? You should be mentioning girls.
What was your favorite drop so far?
My favorite drop was the birthday drop. I think it is insane and the collection that we've got is so crazy.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think the birthday drop was actually, and it's something that you all also have been asking for. A lot of you all messaged, ki, can you guys put bracelets? Can you guys put neck charms? So we put together all your favorites. And thank you so much for the love for the birthday drop. It was so much fun packing all your orders. Momi. Hello.
Hi, I'm Momi. Oh, hi.
Do you all have any more different exciting questions to ask?
Yes, please go for it.
Hey, thank you. So this earring is then the Black Friday drop and what's it called?
Silken hoops.
Yeah, so and it's also dropping at a really good price. We have very limited stock. So if you like the earring, it's good quality, good price. Do buy it in the Black Friday sale.
Okay, also I want to tell you the Black Friday sale, what is it about? Like everybody's asking Black Friday, kya sale hai? So Vinti is going to explain it to you very nice.
So we never usually put up sales. We always mark our price really reasonable so that you all can get the best quality at the best price, because that's what we believe in the brand. Something that we'll purchase, we'll wear ourselves is what we share with y'all. So this time we thought Black Friday hype is there everywhere. Why not yours weekly drop like a crazy annual sale? So we decided to literally go as low as 80% on our products just for you guys. So please remember, it's a flash sale. There's a limited time for the sale and we also have limited stock. So whatever you guys like, immediately pick. Trust me, the prices are crazy for really good quality. You want to show something?
Yeah, I do. And also few items we have restocked because of so much pressure and so many messages. So yes, we have done a little bit of restocking also. So let's begin, Vinti.
Yeah. So, okay, I want to show you directly the craziest price deal that we have, which is literally marked 80%. And I want to show it to you all first. So, it's these oversized scrunchies, which all of y'all have shown so much love that we've actually marked it down to just rupees
99 only.
Yeah, literally you can get any of these oversized scrunchies just today for just rupees 99. Because when we brought out the oversized scrunchie, there were so many of y'all showing so much love. So we've got these back. All these oversized scrunchies are literally just for 99 if y'all buy it today. We have very cute colors and a lot of varieties. So dig in. Yeah, this one, Candy Bloom, so cute.
Yes.
You want to show which one? Yours?
Mine?
Yeah.
Matlab?
Your favorite? Next.
My
This is like
puts me
so
in the
cool
spot.
price.
Yeah. Yeah, we have like amazing pricing since you all keep asking for discounts and stuff like that. So we thought let's just do something crazy, and Black Friday is supposed to be crazy. That's why everybody goes crazy on Black Friday. I want to have a live here on Black Friday.
You have a very good life.
I have the best. I have the best. Okay, so this because my mommy made it, so I think this is like the best, and she made a few more because she was like, okay, since it's sold out, let me make a few more. So yes, we have the Crochet Love that you guys should definitely buy because it's amazing, and it looks also very pretty. Now that winter is also here, you know, it is so cool.
That's a good one actually. Nice. What I really like next are these Korean Japanese clips. I find them super cute. Actually, when Tay and me saw it for the first time, we both yelped. We were like, we have to
We
get
were like
this.
cray, like we were like.
Yeah. So this is also marked down phenomenally. You'll know the prices soon of this. Do you remember?
199.
199. Oh wow. It's actually really good because this was priced about 1200 and you'll just get it for
If I'm
199.
wrong, please maaf me.
You'll get it for 199 today, which is like a crazy price for this.
And the
Japanese
quality,
box.
guys, is great. The
True.
grip of the clutch is amazing.
Yeah.
So
We
yeah.
have 3 colors.
Ah,
Only
Mara.
for 199 today. You'll never see these prices ever again, guys. This is
Today
us.
is the day.
Yeah, this is us
Today.
being generous and foolish.
Dil, no, but dil ke bande. Today we are that for all of you.
So do shop these. These are one of our favorite clips. Like the moment we saw it, we're like must do, have to do. And
And we are going to go with Vinty's favorite collection. Please.
favorite collection. So listen, I absolutely love these. Come on, can you get cuter than this?
We never thought we'll have kids collection, but since so many of you have kids, so this one's for you.
So we have very cute kid collection and we've marked it down phenomenally.
We already started getting orders! Yay! Okay, sorry, I just saw that. Yeah.
No, good. Please buy. So, kids collection. And listen, we've really marked down the kids collection already because we know that they're
Korean hair clutch is sold! Yay!
Which
Sorry.
color? Pink one.
Pink one.
Good choice.
Good choice,
Really
Ananya.
like
Good
that
choice. Amazing. Sorry.
Yeah.
On my phone, we can see like
Notification.
the notification.
So yeah, this is the Dino collection for the kids, and because we know kids lose their stuff, we've literally marked this entire box kit for just rupees 499. So that's us for the kids collection, and we also have very cute. Come on,
Butterfly.
we can wear it. They too can wear it.
I can wear it. I have to love these things.
They are your perfect color. It's actually cute.
I can wear it.
Come on.
So cute!
We've just opened this for adults also. Not only do we have it for kids. Because it's actually...
I'm anyway underage. So yeah.
You never age. Not underage. So, yeah. Very
No,
cute
people
kid
still
stuff.
ask for my ID, so they think I'm underage.
Very good.
I went for Himesh Reshamya's concert and they asked me, "Apna ID दिखाइए ना." I'm like, I'll show you. I will
Very
show
happily.
you. I am very happy. Then we have these, our favorite. This is our, what is the name?
Midnight something.
Something midnight.
Hearts.
Midnight hearts. They're like so cute. You've got like little hearties on it. It's very adorable. And when you put on your hair, it like falls like a bow. It's very Korean vibe. Then we have this.
So this also, sorry to cut you, is our last piece.
Yeah.
We don't have another piece in this. This is literally our last.
So get yours now.
Yeah. Whoever wants it, you guys have to book this right now. We just have this piece left.
Then we have this cutie, this
Cute.
little floral black cutie pink purple, my favorite bow, which is pretty as heck.
that's also marked down much more.
This is a midnight
Dirty
Blue.
Dream.
Yeah, Dirty Dream. That was Midnight Bloom. Sorry. There's a Dirty Dreams, which is so pretty, so cute, and very affordable. I know we are little. You guys think कि हम थोड़े pricey है, but नाम भी तो matter करता है ना.
Hey, but we're not priced.
We are very like
genuinely
normal.
we
Yeah,
are giving
we
very
try.
quality.
Listen, our cut is very little.
Yes,
to let you know.
Yes, good point. Good you mentioned it. Genuinely, because you guys love us so much and have so much love, we literally take a very little cut from all of this. We try to give it to you all with the best of our ability. So please buy.
Yes. And also guys, whoever thinks कि because हमारे पास काम नहीं है तो हम ये कर रहे हैं, it's not that. No. There are people who think कि, oh, because you're not working, and also just to let you know and to clarify this, we're doing this as a side business because we both wanted to. It was Vinti's idea, and then I got on board, and we wanted to do this. So this is like our side hustle that we are having, and we love it because it is so much fun. So it's not that we are POR or it's because we don't have work. We have other things going on in life. So that
Hey,
is
y'all should encourage businesses because we need people, we need
और
entrepreneurs.
ये खच्चर
in this
सोच
world.
वाले, ये
Yeah.
खच्चर सोच वाले अपना आपका मुंह काला.
हाँ, सारे कलर ले लो. Good, good.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, you all should encourage entrepreneurs. Everyone should be everything. Why should you only stick to one identity or throughout your life? So
Yeah.
please, we would even advise y'all, if y'all have something you're passionate about, be it scrunchies, be it hair ties, be it clothes, be it anything, go for it. Like, be the entrepreneur irrespective of what people tell you around you, because as Tay said in the beginning, let's not be people's favorite.
People's pleaser.
Please. Damn, my whole speech went because of
No,
people
it's okay. You're killing it. You always
Okay,
kill it.
you
Yeah.
kill it.
Yeah.
So yeah, and moving on, we have these really cute candy blossoms priced very low.
99. All the scrunchies are for rupees.
Yes,
99.
correct. All of this. Hey, this one is very cute. Just look at the detail
It's very
on this
pretty.
lace. Super cute.
कहाँ
And
मिलेगा
then we
आपको
have
ये
this.
चीजें? These are exclusive.
Yeah, you'll
Take we drop, guys.
Hey, super cute, just for 99 rupees. Again, just today, where we can't emphasize that enough. So please go hard, please shop. We also have very cute. Hey, take this, we didn't show in the last drop. Go for it.
Oh, you're giving me one, right?
Take.
Somebody's gifted me this. So
Give
I
the
have got
heart
gifts for my birthday.
Give
So
the heart
sorry.
melt back.
Oh, you should have reminded me, no?
Keep both.
Okay. Okay, so this is heart drop and it is so pretty, so cute. Chotu earrings. So a lot of you request us ki please get little earrings that are chota and not too big, because I like big earrings. I love big
These
earrings.
ones are damn good.
I love them.
Crazy
I even wore
quality.
them for my birthday trip, and I made all my friends wear them. So
Cute.
yeah. But you should get these little heart pops. They're very heart drops. They're very cute and very little, and they will look so pretty.
They do really. We have more in this. We also have this one. And
Yeah,
we
the sun is
have
so cute.
this, the heart melt. It's
Very pretty.
super cute. So these we have already priced at $349. And guess what? All of y'all ordering our birthday drop get a special 10% off on all orders above $14.99. So if you imagine, this is already priced at $399, you get a 10% further discount on all our birthday drop collection. So just today, 10% is a great deal because we've already priced our birthday drop at a very good
And
price.
the things that we have, you can Google it. You will not find it anywhere.
1000%. This sounds very cute. Yeah.
This sounds very cute.
So already $349 pay, you will get a 10% on all the birthday collections. Do you all have any questions for us? Sorry, we
Yeah,
weren't
today we're
reading.
supposed to answer all your questions. So go for it. Please drop one video till the maid channel on your birthday trip. No. I'm not dropping anything on your tailor made stories. And how I'll make video and all, too much tam jam hai. I'm very busy, guys. The next few days are like yeah. But also I want to give a shout out to Vinti, who has been so amazing that during my birthday when I was gone, she handled everything so nicely. Because even our staff was busy. with
Busy
me.
parting.
With me. But I want to say thank you so much. You did a fab
Okay.
job. Your videos have been great, amazing. Continue the job because
I
I am
know.
gone. I'm busy.
So is I employed permanently.
Permanent. Listen, anyone wants to be hired, we have
Vacancy from 1st December.
yes from 1st December.
Yeah,
Just
DM
for
us.
one person because we have the other.
Yes, yes.
We still have
And it's
Isha on
work
board,
from
but
home.
Annie is she's actually we were happy for her. We
Yeah,
are.
we are,
We're discussing our business.
very transparent.
Very
This is
transparent.
transparent.
here. My God, ज़्यादा open हो गए हम.
But that's a good point. Anyone who's interested, y'all can DM us. 1st December we begin, and it's work from home. So even if y'all are doing multiple things, but you'll have to be present online. So we'll discuss more about that. Whoever is interested.
Yeah.
And okay, questions you want? Ignore.
No. Not all the.
Both of us we are very hardworking.
We are
Thank
very,
you
yeah,
for
yeah,
pointing that out. Very true. Thank you. Rosette drops available.
No. See, whatever is available, you will know.
Oh wow, good question. How many orders did you guys complete?
We have listen. Don't ask. We've completed so many. We've run out of our boxes
True,
and our
true.
so
All our
many.
packaging we have to keep going and getting plastics.
Yeah, which Vinti goes.
I'm labor.
Yeah. She does all the
labor work.
All the labor
Exactly.
work. Yeah.
Please share the details of work from home. Please DM us and we're happy to share it with you.
No, you're supposed to share right now. What information you want?
Work from home instead of.
Oh, okay. Please DM us. We will
Yeah.
reply. Sorry.
Tell
Yes.
which sunscreen do you use? Please tell them.
I use. My sunscreen is like my sunscreen or my face wash. Wait, I'll tell you. I need my phone, which is there.
For your sunscreen name.
Yeah.
I really
sunscreen
want
and
to
my-
know this myself. Thank
my
you for
company-
asking this question.
It's very difficult to pronounce, so that's why I wanted to know the.
Is it like
pronunciation.
Korean, Asian?
No, it is US.
European.
No. It's from the.
La Roche.
No. It's
No?
like ekdam top notch.
La Roche is very
No.
nice.
My one is like ekdam.
Now we
mad
need
wala
to
thing.
know, should we give Neeti her phone so she can answer this very interesting question? The dance you posted should be on your feed.
That's what Vinti said.
Listen, I agree.
That's what
Manan
Vinti
vibes
said.
and
So first I
think
put it on
it's
my
sick.
close friends. I put a lot of things in my close friends.
Hey, I totally
Listen,
agree.
today you have to
should
see my
it.
post, which is going to be a reel, which is you saw, na? She's one of my
I've
close
seen
friends.
I've not seen it.
Filming one?
No,
It's
I've not
not
seen it.
playing.
I'll see today. But listen, I agree. They should post this, post it as a reel. Let's put post. So you post it.
It's already seen too much.
No. Oh, lip balm and moisturizer. Very good question. We're gonna tell
Uriage.
you that.
My lip balm is Uriage. I know.
And sunscreen moisturizer.
I'm trying to remember. It's something
Hey,
with
on
D.
the question of lip balm and moisturizer, we do have a surprise for y'all. If y'all stay tuned for the next few more minutes after answering few questions,
Yes.
we'll tell it to y'all. Do you have any more questions? Please, she will post dance. She'll dance. Keep dancing. Anything else?
Can you make me dance?
Hey, I sent you jelly video. You never dance.
That was so difficult.
Hey.
Go easy with it.
No, I saw what all you're capable. Huh? You don't need easy.
No, I need someone to teach me. Then I'm capable.
Next project, when there, we'll tell. What all special gifts you get on your birthday?
Guys, those are special gifts.
Your favorite question.
What?
Your top 2 Big Boss contestants.
GK and Praneeth. I love Praneeth. Like amazing. But I just feel after he's got sick and come back, thoda wo ho gaya, but he's back again. But GK I'm loving. Like I love him. Like maza aa raha hai. Like very very nice, very classy.
Some products for baby boys. Listen, Suparna, that's a very good question. I specially went, but why don't people keep gifts for baby boys?
What they will put?
Like
the
t-shirts
cards,
only they give. Yeah,
cards and all.
Correct.
I do not have a.
Haan.
Did you get any birthday
Birthday
tattoo? No.
Please drop bracelets, special prices. Hey, Fab Girl, definitely bracelets are on special prices. As we just shared, it's 10% off today. You can pick anything from our birthday drop, necklace, bracelets, and you'll get a 10% on that.
1 minute. Only if you shop
Above
above.
14.99.
Yeah, that was your rule.
Yes. How do you think Santoor is playing?
Ashnoor is playing.
Who's
She's playing well. I know her. I do follow her also. But other contestants are playing more. Like she was in the game. जब गौरव वो क्या था Abhishek Bajaj was there. She was seen too much. She's just gone a little mellow down. But I hope she does well because she's a very nice person. Also conducted herself very well. What's
Is
Zaira's
she
brother's
really-
name? Zidane and Zaira. Zaira and Zidane.
Love the names. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
मेरे
very
बच्चे
nice.
का नाम भी मेरी बहन ही सोचेगी.
हाँ, she's very
No,
talented.
I have like full baby list.
हाँ, tell us. We want to know.
No, my names will go. They're only for my kids. Please restock your necklaces. If you have limited stock, we don't. First you buy.
Yesha, you haven't bought anything.
You haven't bought
from
anything.
us.
Okay, we know
You have
because
asked many times.
We take the orders and everything, so we know we are really there. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, even if we say Isha and Annie are talking, most of the time it's.
We are on top of it. We know all your names. We know who's ordered from us. We know who's asked many times and not ordered from us. So,
We know it all.
yeah.
So don't mess with us.
So, Yesha, buy today. Okay? Yesha will buy today. Your birthday pics.
I think you've not seen my post. You should go ahead and see.
Tulip is there in stock. We only have one tulip, Suparna. That's the white one, and that's our last in stock, and it's priced down to 199. So if you want it, you need to get it now.
99.
99. Damn day. Okay, guys, these prices are really too good to be true. It's only marked 99 for
Acha,
today.
is COD available only if you're in Mumbai or Delhi? But Delhi is right now also taken off the charts because there's no one to collect it in Delhi. Do I answer this?
Suparna, please check. Oh.
I got an LV, what do you say, an LV passport cover as a gift and AirPods with my name written on it.
Cute.
As a gift.
Very cute.
Pay gifted me. Hey!
Sakshi. Hi, Sakshi.
Lots of love to you too. Love always. I hope you guys like the handwritten letters that were given to you all.
Yes, please post it on your story, all of y'all. That was a lot of effort put by Your Highness. Can you say me hi, please, Sakshi?
I think I said hi.
Yeah,
You said
and
lots of love.
love.
So I said love always.
I'm gonna order today. Please order, Aditi. We are waiting for your order. Go hard. Our prices are crazy and they are only for today.
There was Aditi on our. Yeah. I think
did she order?
No, she asked.
Aditi, once you're done asking, please order. Do save the live. Yes, we will share. Where you offered blah blah.
No.
Whose handwriting is this on personal notes? Yes, Manisha, order now. How's the?
No.
Should we? Is it time to give
I
them the
think-
second surprise?
I think it is. Come
Should
on.
we just once post on our page and then we come and then we drop the Christmas?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to do it on our phone? You just take screenshots.
We'll take off this because the pictures are very scary. Should I click on this?
Yeah.
Click.
Okay.
I feel like let's get more.
I'm done asking today. This morning only I came across the page. Okay. Aditi. I know that's what I'm saying to you because I think I was the one who was talking to you. Where you asked a few things. Niti, do you have... I think you're asking really personal questions, Mr. Seeker. Like intense. Even if I do, even if I don't, I ain't telling you. So yeah. Lots of love. Karu! Lots of love. Sorry, I recognize. I don't have chashma, so I can't see. I have seen a lot of reels and posts that happen. Okay, so Ananya is messaging a lot.
Tripping on this.
Please. Okay, sorry.
How you learned all this? Very proud of you.
By looking at other people's reels because that was the only thing in my feed and I'm like I just try to do it, and I did some 50 takes, and then I got it
Ah.
right. Yeah. Not taking anyone's name because there's so many people. So cool, loved it. It's gonna. You have to order it today.
What?
Saloni said your collection for bracelets and necklaces are great because we are mostly sold out on birthday drops. So
Yeah.
go get yours now. Don't wait for your occasion because I don't think we'll have it by
True.
then. And we can't restock them. They were
Very hard to source.
hard to source and very far away.
Tezu, put no on your group first.
What do?
The story.
But wait, my phone is on live. No?
Can you all hold?
Oh, what is wrong with you?
But then how will you can put it and come back now?
What?
Like telling people to join so we can drop the 1st December.
Oh,
No?
it's like that.
हाँ.
वो पूरा वो the people who are there will all drop.
Oh shit. Okay.
They will fall.
Oh shit.
It's okay.
Okay.
हो जाएगा. Don't worry. Okay. You wanna drop the carousel? Let's
I'll
take
take at least 15.
Yeah, take. I'll. Okay, guys. She's doing a little work. We got a little confused in the beginning. How do you blame each other? We thought, she thought, and then
Yeah.
we both went puss. Yeah. Tiny Dot collection. They are amazing. All thanks to Vinti. She's done all the kids thing. Your
Yeah,
current
Bapu,
favorite
Bapu.
Bollywood song? The De De Pyar De wala, I think I danced a lot on it in Thailand in the tuk tuk. Like we kept playing that song and we were dancing. So yeah. My hair was looking better when I was home.
Have you sent me individual of all of these?
No.
So then how will I drop it too?
Screenshot. Okay, is it possible to get a baby girl product in a... Yeah, baby girl products we have.
Sure.
Wait. Guys, you're asking me to get up and all.
This is gonna take me half an hour. 2.
So these are for the baby girls. How much is it for? 499. 499. 499.
3. This is 50 pages, huh?
Yeah. Ta-da-da-da. You can see the amount on the page, please. Kids collection, I don't know much. I was out and about. I haven't decided my outfit for my vacation, but you can... Okay, if you've not decided, but you can always get like a thing that can match all your outfits. My outfit was not with me. I had ordered it to one of my friends who stays in Dubai. I really didn't know how it's going to look and is it like same as the picture and stuff like that. But then I just managed and I did a little here and there. Don't drink alcohol because liver की बीमारी हो रही है. बहुत सारे लोग मर रहे हैं. Somebody said that. Okay, no. Even if you do anything, don't go overboard and do everything in limits. But yeah, we don't drink alcohol. We
So
just
Parna, we know you love green, but only white is available.
yeah.
Sorry.
How's your health? Have you recovered? I am still in recovery because my body's not got any kind of rest on me. So yeah, I'm still in the recovery stage. But yeah, now I can hear a little better. I would say that.
Not fully.
Not fully.
You have to scream.
Sayyara, I have seen half the movie. I didn't see the full movie. You have to see today's reel that I'll be posting at 12:30. I've already scheduled it. It
Oh, it
is
must have dropped.
very, very sexy. Oh, it must have
Yeah,
dropped.
it's dropped.
Ah, you should see my reel then. My phone is here. Otherwise, I would have done it.
Damn.
We hair care tips. I think that you should ask Vinti because she has amazing hair. But oil, when I keep asking her, she tells me ki Neeti, you should oil your hair. She got me a special oil also, which actually why
Have you
my
used
hair is
it?
looking very nice. Actually, I used it.
No way.
Yeah.
Yay.
So it's looking amazing.
Hey, happy.
Child वाला order चाहिए तो please
हाँ, please ले लीजिए.
order ले ली
आपके
कर
लिए
ले.
लिया है हमने.
And yeah, Karu saw it. What a baby. Nice, no? Very sexy, no? Oh my god. Whatever this typhoid has done to me, it's amazing. Because I've lost a lot of weight. I'm underweight.
50 won't even go in the carousel on Instagram.
Yeah, so
Only
just do-
12 go.
So just do one at a time, no? Like only accessories. Only earrings. Do you manage? Actually, the two of us manage the page. Please don't drink. Okay,
It's
okay.
$2.99. The clip.
It's now. It's fine. Okay, and do you manage the page or your team? We both manage the page. It's both of us. So yeah, please can you let me know in South India how many days does it take to deliver? Actually, we have most of our clients from the South. It's amazing and it takes 3 to 4 days. Can we have bag collection introduced too? I think you guys didn't see the Diwali collection because it did have like a cute portly, which my family has bought so many of them to gift their loved ones for, you know, when they go for housewarming parties or Diwali parties. So yeah. Experience about swimming in underwater. I love swimming. Like I love the water. I think that's the only thing I can do. Like heights, I can't. And other things I fear. So water is the only thing I can be like, what is it? What's that coat called? Life jacket. Hatao, and I went inside. So yeah, I love the water and I know how to swim. And okay, I'll tell you a story. So when I was learning how to swim, so पहले ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि the swimming teacher, the coach, they used to just push you in the water, like inside, and then you have to swim. So that actually helped me. Like it did. I learned, and then I won a lot of medals when I was a child for backstroke and all of that. So yeah, I did a little competition that we used to have in our clubs and everything like that. We have 74 people who've joined, 75. That is
Yay.
amazing. I think I'm talking too much, but here I am answering your questions.
Post on it. Log in from my phone.
Let me go, Manisha. Yeah, please go and order, please.
Yes, Manisha.
Our
waiting
team
for you.
is taking orders, so we're very, very happy. Your birthday reels have a lot of costume whose pics we have not seen. You will see it soon. I didn't take too many pictures.
Really?
I was making videos. It's like videos, reel banana hai. You
This
will know.
labor work that I am doing right now.
Good. Carry on. Share some funny things that happened in your birthday trip. Funny? There were too many funny incidents that happened. Like my friend, I think Ananya, she keeps losing her things. Okay, like keeps on losing her things. कुछ निकालेगी कहीं रखेगी वो भूल जाती है. And the whole house goes crazy. We were staying in a villa. And we were just going crazy looking for her things. Every single day she kept losing something. Every single day we found it. Where? Under her suitcase. If that is funny, I don't know. But we had a lot of funny things. Can't share too many details because it's not about me, it's about others. Was it expensive? Thailand? No. It was quite reasonable. Wasn't. We enjoyed. We did everything. We ate out. We had a lot of fun. What's your plan for your birthday, Vinti?
Hey.
Yeah, what's your plan for your birthday?
Listen, I have no birthday plans.
But aren't you meeting your best friends?
They're not here.
So you're alone? Haila. Oh, by the way, Vinti, I've ordered a very cute something for you. So I hope you'll receive it soon before your birthday. That is, remember I called you and I said, listen, can you go and collect it?
Yes.
Yeah, because I was trying to do something and I was like, forget it. Let me just do the delivery. It's very adorable. I hope you like it. And there's a cute note also, which I hope they print it and give it.
How
Yeah.
sweet, Chinka.
I know I am. I'll never say I'm not sweet because I know I am. Reel with Akash Thapa. Please tell Thapa ji to do a reel with me. He's too busy. Did you overcome panic and anxiety attack phase? Yeah. I think all of us have been through a phase like that. Yes, I did. And my biggest strength was my sister and my friends. So yeah, we all go through that phase.
Look what just opened.
You have to see. You have to see. Guys, you have to see this. I am promoting it. You can see it, Vinti, since you're not done. Should I remove it from my close friend because you're not seeing things I'm posting?
Oh, it's very. Did you shoot it on an iPhone? Underground.
GoPro.
Yeah.
So hot! Oh my god!
It's very nice.
Listen, you should love yourself the way I love myself. I think no one will ever try and pundax with you. Why? Oh, sorry. We aren't friends. You want to ask all personal questions or what? What is your name?
Who is that person?
Some seeker. तुम्हें मेरे
My seeker is asking all
you are a
questions.
seeker who wants to seek everything. My personal life. I do not wish to comment. Thank you. Thank you. Shower all your love to my reel. So hot. I know. It's been long. I think I'm so tired of being called cute. Cute. Everybody has their own insecurities, I think. You know Sumin? Yes, I know Sumin. You should post for us also. What should I post? How should I place an order? Please go on.
Come on.
On
Tell me you
WhatsApp.
remember this number. Tell me you remember the number.
I remember. Wait. I remember. I only remember my mummy papa's number. Try and make me remember anyone else's number is very hard.
Last
You
drop.
say na.
Last drop.
You can go on our bio and our WhatsApp link is there. So you can click on the link and
98198537. I think I've said few digits less.
Can you just go on our bio and our thing it's written WhatsApp. You can just go and click on the link.
Post one last post. Please check out. I've just dropped 2 carousels, so y'all can go check out the prices and shop. And we've also dropped for Diwali, so go hard.
It's your first time you posted. No, I have not. Bikini first time. No, I have done one more post before in Maldives. I think you didn't see it properly. Yes, 9892198537.
Yes,
I got the
thank
number right.
you.
Thank you, Karu. You saved me. How was my Tollywood experience, though?
Can you ask new questions? Okay, done now. It's all posted. 3 carousels.
Okay, so now guys, we have something very, very interesting. Only thing we are really sorry, but I think Vinti can still drop it on the 1st, but I'll be there today, but not on the 1st with you all. So we want to just give you a sneak peek to our Christmas and New Year draw. And it is very, very pretty, very, very cute, and everything that you all demanded for. A lot of things you guys have asked us, skincare, this care and that care, we got you all covered. So we have something really, really amazing for all of you. And very Christmassy, very wintry, because now winters have started. So yeah. Okay, so let's start with something that I think you all remember me with, because this is every holiday whenever I'm in Delhi or I travel, this is something that I always use. So yeah, this is it.
So this is just a sneak peek. You
Just a
cannot
sneak peek.
order this now.
Yes.
It's gonna drop on 1st December, and as we shared, we have really limited stock.
Karu.
Haan, Karishma, she loves this. She's obsessed with this. Since we got it, she's enjoying it.
Ravi ji. So these two people are the ones who buy me a lot of things.
They love you.
But yeah, Karu to dil se aise. Karu.
Karishma is the sweetest.
Karishma is the sweetest.
Go hard. Do Christmas.
Do Christmas. So we got these cute names. Listen, the names are very, very adorable. Please, like the birthday drop, these names are also very cute. So these are like these cute Santa earrings, and I think you all should get it before
Yeah.
Christmas starts. These are like the love collection. I love it. You also show, na?
So we also have these for all of y'all who like mini earrings. And as we shared before, we are giving you really good quality at very good price. This is going to drop on 1st December. Stay tuned to grab them.
And we have these very cute Christmassy
Very
bracelets.
cute. We have this very unique vibe of earrings. Look at Santa. What is he trying to do? Where is he trying to go? Maybe up the chimney.
It's very cute. Please,
This is very nice.
please, guys, you have to. I will not be there. Vinti's going to be there. Be nice to
You'll
her.
be there for only 10 days.
15. Here, these are the candy
Santa
cane
hoops.
hoops. They're so cute, so adorable. Not too big, very medium size, very cute, very adorable.
We also have this pearl drop, which is full Santa. So if you're planning any Christmas party or even at home and you just want to dress up for Christmas, these are very cute additions to have. As we shared, we only have few pieces of all of these. So 1st December, stay tuned. We're going to be dropping them.
Yes.
It's like a dual one. Oh,
Yes.
oh, you do this.
Okay. No, you finish this one. Then I'll give you time.
So this is a set of 2. So you can see this that we have, and this is a set of 2. Very cute, very, very, very cute. So this is like a 2-in-1 piece for Christmas, for all you people who want to do a little more on Christmas Eve, wear something Christmassy and get out of the house.
Then we got these cute for chashmish like me or sunglasses you have. There are these cute pouches that we have. Please see them. They're like so pretty, so cute, so adorable.
Very nice. Yeah, there's this one as well.
We have like a lot of variety. This is just a sneak peek. Like
Yeah, yeah.
we have like some 50 items. We're just showing you like 10,
Yes.
50. Yeah. Then we have these cute hair clips, makeup clips
Makeup
that
clips.
you use, you know, for your this
Show,
thing.
show, show, take, show, show.
I had put it on. Wait. Did I get it right?
No, no, yes. Haan, nice.
I
nice,
can't
nice,
see,
nice,
okay? I
nice.
have chashma, so sorry. And I don't ever wear chashma. On here.
Oh, it's very nice.
Very cute.
Very
like
nice.
these are your
Makeup clip.
clips. Very cute. Now, something that you all have been waiting for. I think so. No,
Okay.
you. Go for it.
So, y'all have been asking, and even right now, y'all have been put skincare, moisturizer, lip tint, blah, blah, blah. So, ta-da! Here we have all the things that Tay also uses that we got just for y'all. None of this is sourced in India. I just want to tell y'all that we have limited stock, not sourced here, and we love these eye gels. They look super cute, very Pinteresty, and also really good. You can put them in the freezer and use them. They are very good to depuff your eyes. There's also this collagen mask that we are dropping that we've all personally used, and also this lip mask.
To
So
have
these-
luscious lips like mine. You know
Yeah.
what to do.
1st December.
Yeah.
And also we have a set.
So
A
when you
very
do your
cute-
skincare, you need to prep your hair. You need to be like, let me relax. So we have like this entire set, which we will show you when we show you.
on 1st December.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Then
Oh, these
we
are
have
very
these
cute.
really cute winter socks. See, these are called fluffies. They're so cute. They're like all full of ducks and all. It's adorable.
So I am a very socks person myself. Literally right now, only I've started wearing socks. If I could lift my leg and show you, I'm wearing a socks right now.
Really? I
Yeah.
am also wearing.
You
I'm wearing like
too.
Batman. Like I have the cutest color.
So this is something that is very close to us. We are very socks people, and we are going to drop very cute wintry socks collections
Oh, yeah.
that you all can see this as well. All marked very good. This is just a sneak peek. As she said, we're actually going to be dropping our collection on 1st December. So stay tuned.
So stay tuned. Be
Limited
there
time. Limited
at
piece.
12 p.m. because Vinti is going
You
to be
can
dropped.
also now.
No, time will not. Let's not discuss.
Another time. We'll discuss and let you know.
Yeah, but guys, be there because this one's going to be special. Like the birthday drop, this drop is also amazing. So stay tuned and buy everything.
Is it free size?
Yeah, the sizes will be mentioned. Do not worry at
It's
all.
universal size. Hopefully it should fit you. Why not now? Ravi, all this collection very nice. Thank you. Please buy. We've sent you QR code many times.
By the way, Ravi ji, ईशा is the one जो आपको हैंडल करती है.
और ईशा को आपने एक भी गिफ्ट नहीं दिया है.
हाँ,
Only speak.
only me. Thank you.
At least someone.
Aditi, you're ordering so many things. We love it. Oh, there are so many.
Screenshots.
So yeah, so many these notifications we're getting. Not now because it's not Christmas.
So this is our special Christmas and New Year drop that we're going to be dropping on 1st December live, where the prices will be live and limited stocks for purchase of us. It's very cute. None of these things you can procure anywhere around you.
Thank
We
you,
worked very hard to get
Manisha. Lots of love. Thank you so much.
it. She's placed. Is there any offers? Yes, Siddhi, that's why we are here. We have just dropped our Black Friday offer. You can check out. We have up to 80% off on a lot of items. You can check out. We've already dropped 3 carousels, so have a look. And we also have an offer on our birthday drop, which is 10% on all orders above $14.99. So go hard.
Yeah.
It's a very long.
So we like Aditi, Ananya, Amia. Like we have like
All
a lot
the
of
A's.
A's. Thank you. Oh sorry, वो हो जाएगा. Misunderstanding हो गया मुझे.
No, it's
I
too
think
long.
it's only Isha who can handle Ravi ji.
You've booked from today's sales, Apna. Awesome. I hope you took the tulip white one.
It's Suparna.
Actually, it's very nice. Sorry, Suparna. I hope you took the white tulip. It's super cute and the last piece left. And we won't restock that ever. Because it's not from here. Oh,
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you. Oh, my birthday trip was amazing. Me too. Not eaten anything since morning.
Kadi chawal.
Curry chawal. So also guys, Vinti is my first Sindhi friend. No, actually second Sindhi friend.
Who's the first?
Mohit, Steffi's husband.
Whatever.
Huh. But they have never given me aisa khana like how.
So they're not friends.
Yeah. No, I watched the match and all with them. No, it's fine.
And
But
still they didn't give you food. Who's
she
with
has
me?
made me
Who's
have.
with me?
Oh, Vinti can have 10,000 friends. I can't have one friend.
Have 3.
No,
5.
no,
7.
no. She can do whatever she wants, but I can't. है ना?
Earphone चाहिए. हाँ चाहिए. You can book
Earphone.
If
He
that
may-
exists,
he
then
may-
yes, Raviji, you can totally book the iPhone 17 Air version for us, and we'll send you the delivery.
और
address.
ईशा जी
For
का-
ईशा.
ईशा इतनी लकी कैसे हुई?
349 रुपीस का भी गिफ्ट आपने नहीं दिया ईशा जी को. वो
But
सब
he is
पढ़
giving
दिया.
her the phone.
अच्छा आईफोन हाँ ईशा is very happy. Please give. Find you guys. Super name. We've taken it many times before, Manisha.
What?
Her name.
Oh yeah, we did. I took her name so many times.
So also we are going to be personally packing all your orders. Suparna, Aparna, Vaparna, Aditi.
Yeah, actually guys, to be very honest, which no one knows, but it's Vinti and I who pack the orders, but since my birthday, it's Vinti who's doing every order. So give her, give her 3 cheers. Hooray!
Hooray! Hey, but you've been doing a lot of other work. So I feel it's teamwork. When I'm not around, Tay is magic. And when she's not around, I have to be magic. So I think it's just the best of both worlds.
1 minute, Ravi ji wants to give me Gujarati dal, thepla, fafda. Just to let you know, Ravi ji, હું પણ ગુજરાતી છું થોડી આવડે છે. હું પણ ગુજરાતી છું થોડી આવડે છે. મારે પપ્પા ગુજરાતી છે.
Thank you, Bhavna.
He
Thank
is
you.
great. Ravi ji is giving Isha ji 17 Pro Max.
Ravi ji, please book it ASAP before this
Isha ji?
emotion drops down.
Isha
And Isha
ji?
ji will share it with co-founder.
Isha ji, you are truly lucky, Isha ji. Isha ji.
Yeah, but 300 rupees.
अच्छा
पूछे
अब बस इतना सरस इतना नहीं आता मेरे
Please
को
show
but I don't
socks.
like गुजराती खाना.
Sure, we'll show you the socks. There are
Listen,
more
we
than
have
these.
lots of other collection in socks. These we just took out because we thought let's do this together.
But you'll get it only on 1st December.
Acha, Karu's also, Karishma's also Sindhi.
Really? Yeah.
But
Oh,
she's
yeah,
made
Kotwani,
me,
na?
she's made
Kotwani.
me eat Sindhi food.
Koki also you
Koki,
ate. Huh?
yeah,
Koki,
yeah, yeah.
sai bhaji is left. We'll have
And then she
next
makes me eat roti which I don't like. I only like
I
rice.
stopped.
Then,
Today we'll eat now in 1 minute.
yeah, very hungry. Not eaten breakfast.
Oh, wait for the 1st December drop. Thank you so much, Maria. We're waiting for you to shop. Hope you liked all the things that came to you. Maria's from South, na?
Ravi ji, I don't like Gujarati food क्योंकि मीठा
Ah!
होता है. Hi! Are you
Socks,
back?
this one's for you. It looks like you, Chinky.
Al, who's your favorite Big Boss contestant?
Oh, I already asked her that.
You asked her?
Yeah.
Who?
She said, what did you say, Al? Sorry. Hey, I don't watch it. I don't remember the names.
GK?
Who's GK?
I think she does.
Chandni.
When Vinti went for vacation, they did all the work. Everything when they went on vacation, Vinti did all the work. Oh yes. Chandu!
Chandu, thank you for your stories. Yeah, you've put out such lovely stories wearing our collection. It means a lot to us. Thank you.
See my friends.
Very cute.
See my friends.
My
oh my
friends
God.
are better.
Oh my
Excuse
god.
me.
Oh my god.
Yes.
No one posted for
Yes.
us. No one posted.
They did. They'll do more.
Yeah, so what?
Much more.
What? Tell me
Much,
more.
much
What
more.
more? What more? Should we have friend wall?
Wow, I love
I
it.
will
I'm
wait.
second standard, right?
Anyway.
It's my birthday. Why don't you gift me? Just kidding.
Whose birthday?
Siddhi's birthday. Siddhi's birthday. You know what's very auspicious on your birthday? Shopping from yours.
Woo!
Will make your birthday better.
Love you, Chandu.
Yeah, Al, you did post. I know, love you. Day is just very cute.
That is in the beginning, but no one bore, na.
Bus, enjoy.
Enjoy.
How can
Chandu?
I tag you guys as my account is right? Please make a public account just for the story, just for 24 hours and tag.
Or
yours
you can
with
you can also do a screenshot and send it to
Good
us,
point,
and then
yeah.
we can post it. Not a problem. We
Yes.
understand privacy.
Thank you, Bhavna.
Save this live. We will definitely. I think
Save
should
it.
we, because it's been an hour.
Yeah.
We will save. GK is even my favorite. Pranita. So I really like.
Very nice. We've promoted them enough for free. No. Okay, thank you all.
Thank
We've
you.
dropped Black Friday sale prices. It's live only for 24 hours. So please get it. Please get all the scrunchies, the hair ties. After this, the prices won't stay the same. So go ahead. Shop.
Also guys, we ship worldwide. So yes, ship होता है Finland में, Dubai में, हर जगह होता है. So do not worry, just order with us and we'll tell you the process. We ship worldwide, anywhere and everywhere. Okay, so with this, on this note, we say goodbye to all
Yes.
of you. Happy shopping, lots of love from Tay and V. And keep shopping. Can't wait for you guys to order a lot of things. We are packing
Yes.
everything right away.
Thank you. Lots of love.
Lots of love. Bye. Ay, 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 ay.